Hey guys, how's it going? Just doing my last update on the upgrade wires, cables, starter for my 2008 Yamaha Roadstar. I must say, this upgrade helped out very well. As you can see, we have the old style versus my new 4 gauge. I believe this is 8 gauge. Could be wrong. This could be 6 or pretty sure it's 8. Just judging by the size difference. All new copper fittings. Just want to go over what I did. Obviously, you got this far, you know what you're looking at. So for the positive side, you have two wires, excuse me. One coming from the battery to the starter relay. Sorry about the zip ties. And then you got the starter relay to the starter. This is a brand new starter. Came out real nice and simple. And you have this white piece, which goes to a 50 amp fuse, which you have to snip off the old wire and wrap it in the new wire and crimp it down. Same on the ground. I did the same thing with the ground. I upgraded the ground cable. Here's the connector. It's the same thing on that side. I had to modify. That's your ECU for the engine. I had to modify it so I can fit the cable in there. But as you can see, that's spliced in there. Just put it within the copper terminal, crimp it down. Everything is taped and shrink wrapped, so no corrosion's going to get in there. Unless I'm flying with the seat off, I doubt anything's going to get in there. I upgraded, well, I got to get different bolts for this. I have the 2 nuts and 2 washers that came with this fell out. I don't know where they went. They went into the black abyss. But I'm happy to announce that she fires right up. No hesitation whatsoever anymore. Doesn't give me a false start. It doesn't go. Nope, no more. I have all the juice in the world now. Just to prove it wasn't a fluke. I about to had to eat my words there for a second. I did this at least 4 or 5 times before I started making this video. But that's that decompression solenoid for whatever fucking reason. I don't even have that on here, I don't believe. Does that have block off plates to whatever that air compressor thing was up here? Yeah, I deleted that. Gone. Bye-bye. That thing kept backfiring like crazy. No thank you. So, now, it smells like bad gas too. Time to throw it on the charger. Put everything else back together. Put some good, better gas in there. Alright. Success. I'm really pleased with how it turned out. Just another quick tip. If you're going to do the wire upgrade, you got to snake it through there. Snake it down underneath. leave yourself another, I'd say 2 to 3 inches. 2 to 3 inches on your ground, 2 to 3 inches on both power wires, just in case, just if you need to snake it around a little bit better. All right, thanks for watching, guys.